This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Working from underneath the vehicle, remove the starter mounting bolts, then rotate the starter to gain easier access to the electrical connections. Unscrew the nut securing the battery cable to the starter, then disconnect the cable. Release the connector safety tab, then disconnect the solenoid electrical connector. Remove the starter motor out from under the engine. Install the starter motor, first connecting the electrical connections. Secure the safety tab on the solenoid connector once connected, and tighten the battery cable nut on the starter securely. Rotate the starter in the correct direction onto the mounting bracket. Then install the mounting bolts. Tighten the starter mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.